back to the kitchen. Picture this. It's a Wednesday night. You're sitting on the couch after a depressing day of reading the news, and you're thinking, goodness me, I need some comfort food. But you don't have French fries and ketchup. Don't you worry, because today we're going to make the next best thing. Cream of potato tomato soup. Potatoes, tomatoes, it's going to be great. Oh, and you've already roasted tomatoes, because what else should you do in the afternoon? Slice these onions. Take these onions over to the stove and start the soup. Everybody knows that the base of any good potato tomato soup is caramelized onions. Add just a touchful of oil, and then just pop your onions in the pot. And then over a low heat, you're going to caramelize them for like 20 minutes. And while that's happening, you can work on your celery and potatoes. So our onions are starting to turn brown. They've got like 5 minutes left. The celery. And keep going. So we got these delicious caramelized onions and celery, but it wouldn't be potato tomato if we didn't have tomatoes and potatoes. We got your roasted tomatoes that you've got just sitting around at home. Oh, that's warm. Safety. Add them to the tomato for the potato tomato. You're churning butter. We gotta pulverize this, but it could make a giant mess, so we're gonna use this thing. Ew! If you don't have one of these immersive blenders, use a normal blender. Oh, that's nice. We have our cream of tomato for our cream of tomato potato. But we need potatoes to add to the cream of potato for the cream of potato tomato. Put your cream of tomato for the tomato potato back into the pot. You're gonna add some potatoes to make cream of potato for the cream of potato tomato. I am not getting sick of saying tomato potato. Vegetable stock! And then we're going to go back onto the heat and we're going to simmer it until the potatoes for the potato tomato are fork tender, which should take about 12 minutes. Okay, so it's been like 12, 15-ish minutes. We want cream of potato tomato soup, not chunky of tomato potatoes. So we're going to get our immersive boy and we're going to blitz it. It's only kind of working. Ah! Okay, now this is cream of potato tomato soup. It's smooth, it's not creamy. So we're gonna add buttermilk. So we're just gonna, nice bowl of soup. Bet you didn't expect a savory episode, eh? Get a little crispy piece of bread from the loaf you made the other day. A soup spoon. And because we're fancy, we're gonna put some corn, basil, however you wanna say it. And just like that, we can silence your cravings for French fries and ketchup with cream of potato tomato soup. That's pretty good. Try some of this bread. Oh. Yeah. Well, this is quite nice, especially as the weather gets colder. That's all I got for you this week. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram @Aaron's Bakery. Next week we'll do some cooking. Imagine that. Make this as it gets colder because it tastes good and it warms you right up to the coldness of the world. I'll see you next week!